In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can challenge friends and other players on chess.com using both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, from the homepage of either the mobile app or the web browser, essentially go ahead and go over to the social tab. You can do this by going to the more tab right here. And then if you scroll down to this little community tab, there's going to be a whole social section on here with your friends on here. On top of that, you could also just select this button down here to have all your friends list pop up. But go to the social tab and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this where you could search for either a name or a username. Whenever you find them, essentially go ahead and either hover over their name, or all you got to do is just go over to this section right here and you're going to see an option that says challenge. Simply go ahead and select it and send that challenge over to them. You could also send them an email invite, or you can also in this section create a challenge link and send that over to them that way. You could also rematch someone that you might have already played from the homepage by selecting chess.com, going down to the game history, finding whoever this might be, selecting on them, and then hitting game rematch. But it really is as simple as that. That is, you can challenge friends and other players here on chess.com using both PC and mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.